We are out in New York at Gore Mountain for a day of snowboarding. Come watch some Floridians shred the gnar.
I'm scared.
You know who made it.
Woo. Oh my god, my leg.
That one was fast.
That was a good one. That was long.
Yeah.
I think I should have worked out legs like the past few weeks.
I'm ready. What do you think of skiing? What do you think of skiing?
It's fun. I'm gonna fart on the camera.
Do it.
Green's gonna come out.
Speed, especially on snowboards, you're going to blast as fast as you can all the way down there. That'll push you in. North side. One down.
Yeah, we had a lot of lakes. Grew up on a lake.
I feel like it translates well to snowboarding.
Oh, dude, for
too,
sure.
So.
For sure. That's nice. Have fun, guys.
You too.
Hey, God bless you guys.
Yep, you too. See myself in your reflection, maybe.
Here, wait, that's cool. I'm gonna take a selfie. Oh, you have a big thing of snot coming out of your nose. I know, I can feel it. Don't. Here, Nils, come here.
Fish eye.
I think she's gonna go to the river.
Okay, we'll let her.
I think we can ice skate on that.
Andrew's got a skate.
And slide.
Yeah. Does it, even in dead of